Well, hello. I'm Professor Tim Osswald. I'm a professor of mechanical engineering here at the University of Wisconsin-Madison. I co-direct the Polymer Engineering Center. I'm here today to show you some of the machines that FuseForm in Bogota, Colombia has made for us. FuseForm being a well-known machine for making high-end equipment for around the world. This machine right here is the FuseForm pellet 600 plus, which was specifically made for us. It's the first pellet machine that FuseForm made. And it has a screw extruder right here that prints material using screw extrusion type processes. It also has a filament, so you could print both with filament and with the screw. In order to understand the performance of the screw, FuseForm actually built this system for us. It's a single screw extruder that is used in the printer. It has a motor. It has torque measurements. It can measure the wattage, the energy going into the system, into the heaters, into the turning of the screw. So we better understand the characteristics of the screw extruder. Also, we can exchange the nozzles here. So 0.4 millimeter nozzles, 0.2, 0.6, etc. So we can generate screw characteristic curves or extruder characteristic curves to better understand the performance of such a system as a function of RPM, as a function of temperature and other conditions. We can try it with different materials, and so we can then see how will the extruder perform for different with different materials, how the printer itself will perform for different extruders. So this is really valuable. It's really valuable for education. Actually, FuseForm made this for us. It was a gift for us and our research and education here at the University of Wisconsin-Madison. And we're very grateful for their help and their support that they have given us in the past few years in building our 3D printing lab, but not only that, our 3D printing equipment and our 3D printing education. Thank you.